Hi, here is Bogon Laser. Automated welding makes manufacturing easier. Today we are talking about our full line of robotic welders. There have several robot welder, like 6-axis, 7-axis, 8-axis, 9-axis, 10-axis, etc. Here we will show several solutions of robot welding. First up, our basic 6-axis welding robot. 6 flexible joints let it reach every angle. For 360 coverage, it's accurate, reliable, and easy to run. Perfect for frames, cabinets, and general small to medium parts. Need longer reach? Go with our 7-axis system. We add a linear travel rail to the 6-axis arm, available in 6 meters, 12 meters, or custom lengths. This extends the working range a ton. Ideal for long beams, tubing, and multi-station production lines. If you're running small round parts with circular welds, check out our Robot Plus standalone rotary axis unit. We mount a servo rotary turntable under the workpiece, adding one extra rotation axis to the 6-axis arm, making a full 7-axis compact cell. The table spins parts 360 smoothly at adjustable speeds. No bulky L-frame or long floor rails needed. This compact setup fits tight shop spaces, perfect for small cylinders, flanges, valve bodies, and round hardware. L-type positioner, 2-axis tilt and rotate. This is our robotic welding cell with L-type positioner. Unlike basic rotary turntables, this unit features dual-axis motion, full 360-degree rotation, and 180-degree tilting. It automatically flips and spins your parts to place every weld in a flat, ideal position. No tricky overhead welding, no blind spots. Combine it with our 6-axis robot and linear rail, you get a high-efficiency 8-axis welding system. Perfect for frames, enclosures, agricultural parts, and medium-sized welded components. This is our upgraded dual station L-type positioner welding system. It's equipped with 2 independent L-type positioning stations, both supporting full 360 rotation and 180 tilting. The robot switches back and forth between the 2 stations. Weld on one side, load parts on the other. Zero downtime between cycles. Paired with a 6-axis robot and linear rail, it forms a complete 10-axis workstation. It's the ultimate setup for high-volume production of complex medium parts. Vertical tilting positioner, 180 flip welding system. Meet our vertical tilting positioner welding system. This positioner features straight vertical 180-degree flipping movement. It tilts heavy parts up and down to eliminate blind welding zones. Different from L-type models, it's designed specifically for flat, box-type, and large panel workpieces. Combine it with a 6-axis robot to simplify your welding process and cut down manual flipping work. This is our cantilever-style welding robot. Instead of a regular vertical arm, it uses a horizontal telescopic boom. It stretches deep into tanks, enclosures, and closed cavities where standard robots can't reach. It's the perfect solution for inner seam welding on cabinets and pressure vessels. This is our all-in-one single cantilever welding cell, fully integrated with linear ground rail and multifunctional positioner. The telescopic cantilever reaches deep into enclosed workpieces for internal seam welding. The ground rail extends the working range, while the positioner tilts and rotates parts to optimal welding angles. This combo fixes 2 common welding issues: blind spots and limited coverage. It's the ideal turnkey solution for tanks, cabinets, and long box-shaped workpieces. Inverted gantry welding system. The 6-axis robot is mounted upside down underneath the gantry beam. This overhead layout saves floor space and eliminates base obstacles. It covers wide work areas and works perfectly for bottom welding, large panels, and oversized structural parts. Multifunctional welding cell, robot plus rail plus multi-station positioner. This is our all-in-one multifunctional workstation. It combines a 6-axis robot, long travel ground rail, and multi-station rotary positioner into one single cell. The rail covers larger work areas, the positioner rotates and tilts parts freely. Dual station alternate operation eliminates waiting time. It's your most flexible, all-round solution for almost all welding applications. Still wondering which robotic welding solution fits your project best? Get in touch with our team at Bogon Machinery. We'll analyze your workpieces and customize the most cost-effective welding solution for you. Support MIG, TIG, and laser welding. Let's simplify your automated welding production together.